Let's go. Yo, I'm like an addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it, fuse like a magnet. Lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing, got a weird mind. If you work 8 hours.
Right, boys and girls, guess what day it is? Dragged out Mx5. Let's have a look at it and see where we got. Right, it's nice and dark, so it's good for photos and stuff. Now this is it. This is the little Mx5. How about that? Sat on 18-inch wheels. There you go, 18-inch image wheels. Chrome roundabout mirrors. Limited red interior. The older wood and everything. We've got a Zoom Engineering lid. And believe it or not, it can't go any lower, so I'll be thinking about that. The rear panel, don't look at that, that's work in progress. And once we're here, I thought I'd drag all of them out. Well, we drag all of them out. So we got Mx5, we got Subaru, we got E36, and we got E90. So let's walk around, have a look at Mx5, because that's the main hero of today. So I like this light, so might end up being slightly darker than it needs to be. I've got a second camera with me. Let's see. How about that? Who said 18s don't work on these? I think they do, very much so. Obviously this is stage one of everything, basically putting it together and then continuing it on. That's the plan. So there's going to be loads more coming for this car, and I've got a few more bits coming in the post for it that have been delayed. So yeah. And as for interior, that's mainly done. Only thing left to do is essentially try and get these seats nicer. Got a few bits to bolt in and some 3D printing. And next for the rear end, I'm thinking of making custom spoiler, so stay tuned for that one. Alright, let's get the second camera out and do a bit of photos and film it before it goes dark.
Let's go. Yo, I'm like an addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it, fuse like a magnet. Lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing, got a weird mind. If you work 8 hours, I'ma work 9. If the shit tastes sour, you should taste mine. I'ma stay in power for a long time. Get up, nah, I ain't a quitter. Toss me the ball, I'm a really big hitter. Big picture, I'm a straight killer. Rising the song to the highest bidder. Got juice, got gas, I'ma move fast. New shoes, new tracks, like who's that? I'm new, come back, better than last. Yeah, it's a new me, never gonna look back. Never gonna look back. Cause damn, I was built to last. You move slow and I move fast, and that's facts. Only I can make a change. Slowly take a step today. I will never be the same, cause that's what it takes. Never gonna look back. Cause damn, I was built to last. You move slow and I move fast, and that's facts. Only I can make a change. Slowly take a step today. I will never be the same, cause that's what it takes.
Okay, before it gets too dark, let's finish it off. And this is what we got. Obviously Beamer with its fancy lights. Doesn't run at the minute because battery's dead. So, yeah, I'll do a little edit with some music and everything like that. But yeah, in a gist, that is Mx5. So, let me guys know what you think. And then we're gonna go from there. Alright. On that note, I'm over and out. That's me done for now. There's Dimitri of mine in the view as well. So like, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Cheers!